You know, I could never come up with a menu to cook. You know, if my family don't help me say what to cook, it's like, what should I cook? But today I'm going to do some lentils and rice with some stewed beef. Now I'll be showing you how I do my lentils. If you want to see how I did the beef, leave a comment below and I'll hook you up with some beef, okay? But today I'll be showing you how I do my lentil. So if you want to see how I did this, keep viewing. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to start by using 1 pound of dried lentils. Now, I'll be using some side pumpkin, pimentos, ginger, garlic, and the hot pepper. I'm going to wash my lentils and place it to boil. I'm going to be using twice as much water to cover my lentils. To this I'm adding some garlic. Now it's now 15 minutes later and my lentils are 3/4 the way cooked. So I'm going to turn this off, set it aside and prepare a pot for stew. To my pan I'm adding some oil followed by some garlic which I'll be sauteing, and adding my vegetables. You're going to toss this, cover and allow it to steam until the veggies are cooked. To this I'm adding some ginger, a hot pepper, about a teaspoon of salt to taste. I have a mixture of 13 spices here that I use as well. I'm adding just about a teaspoon, about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of sugar, and some browning. Next I'm going to add about 3/4 cups of coconut milk. I'm going to turn this up, cover, and allow it to steam. Whilst my peas is steaming, I'll be stewing my beef here. If you want to see how I stewed my beef, leave me a comment below and I'll show you how I did this. Now we are going back to our lentils and taste to see how it's tasting. It's good, but for me I would like to taste a little bit more of the coconut milk powder in it. So here I'm adding just about half a cup of coconut milk powder. Again, I'm going to cover this and leave this about 3 to 5 minutes on a very low heat again. So this is my peas. I've completed my peas. I'll be serving this with some rice, stewed beef, and some fresh salad. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. And as I always say, it's better that we bust than good food waste. See you next week.